Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities, and in this video I actually wanted to share this particular experience. So since I met this twin flame, I thought, for 4 years that it was just an attraction and it will go automatically because attractions are always temporary, wherein I knew that feelings are always permanent, but then that till that time I was giving excuses to myself that it is only attraction. So in 2014, when I confessed, to this twin flame that these are feelings, and then he said, no, it's attraction. And since then, I started doing a lot of things to, remove these feelings from me. I, tried keeping myself so busy in my work, also tried keeping myself in my, creativity. And also I tried, so that I can, if I leave my country, at that time, maybe, these feelings will go away from me. But nothing helped. So I tried a lot of things, to remove these feelings from me. I also thought maybe, as these feelings are coming from my heart, I was also thinking of transplanting, my heart. And I thought, this heart transplantation can help me out, because that is the only last option I am left with, because I cannot live, with these feelings forever. So in 2018, I do not remember that the timing, but it is somewhere in 2018 itself. And I also do not remember whether this happened, this experience I experienced before or after the removal of black magic. So one day, so in 2014 I went on a trip along with my office colleagues. So there I had a wooden keychain, of heart shape, wherein his name was written along with those three magical words. So I thought maybe, this keychain I have, and that can be a reason that, I kept on looking at it, and that can be a reason that these feelings are not going away from me. So there I decided to, remove that keychain from my life. I decided to throw it in the dustbin. So the moment I, got ready to remove that, my body got freezed. So I thought, no, maybe I'm just, overthinking. I tried it again and again. I tried several times on the same day, to remove this keychain from my life. But every time my body was freezed. I again tried after a few days, thought maybe it was just an illusion. But again, I experienced, the same thing. And then I think, I came in this acceptance that time that, these feelings are actually coming from my soul. These feelings are not coming from my heart. So, I am not left with any other option. So I cannot run away from these feelings because it is coming from my soul. And what I was experiencing, the more I was trying to run away from the feelings for this person, more and more pain I was feeling. So when I came in this acceptance, that these feelings are actually coming from soul. So, since then, I decided not to run away from these feelings and decided to live with this feeling, because I don't have any other option. So the moment I came in this acceptance and I committed to myself that, I will not try to run away from these feelings. Since that day, I stopped feeling that extreme pain, which I used to feel a lot. So I exactly do not remember this. I started experiencing after black magic removal, because till the time, the black magic was not removed, the body used to feel heavier because of those, entities and all. And I used to cry a lot because negative entities creates lower vibrations wherein you start crying a lot. So this was something experience, which I experienced. The moment I stopped, running away from these feelings, I was feeling relaxed. So, and after black magic removal, the body was also feeling lighter. So this I actually wanted to share. I do not know whether, this was supposed to be shared or not. But so since I stopped, running away from these feelings, I realized the more I was trying to run away, from these feelings, it was even hurting me more. And the day I came in this acceptance, no, I will not run away, I was feeling absolutely fine and right. And by that time, probably this, black magic was also removed. So body was feeling lighter, and this was not hurting me anymore that time. And so this was one particular experience I wanted to share. Also, as I tried removing this keychain from my life. I also tried after several months that maybe, that was just an illusion, that body was getting freezed. But no, the same thing experienced again and again. I did this experiment several times. So my particular realization was in this journey, the more I was trying to run away from these feelings, it was even hurting me more, because since beginning I knew that I do not get attracted towards anyone. I can only have feelings if I have, wherein I didn't had feeling for anyone before meeting this twin flame. So this was particular experience which I wanted to share, and so I was not able to remove this keychain. I could not remove it for several years. There was a particular time after my spiritual awakening, there I was able to remove this, but then I will share it in a separate video. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.